Morning.
Hello.
Day 2 of this weekend. We are just going to continue the work. I've got to take the blinds back down, but it was nice having them up through the night. Just clearing things out. We've got the wood down there for putting up along this wall, down in front of the kitchen as well, because there's some damp down here, and also to cover that side there around the window. We've made the cutouts for the windows. We took the one of the window frames with us and got the cutouts with the measurements, so hopefully that lines up. Yeah, we're hopefully gonna get getting rid of all the rubbish wood and then start the painting and the protecting of the wood and stuff. And
we've got to rip the sink out today in the bathroom.
Oh yeah, and hopefully get the sink out of the bathroom.
Last bit of demolition, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
And the kitchen worktop's got to come off.
Yeah. And then do the base painting. But yeah, we'll keep you updated through the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm denting there.
Yeah.
I'm smashing the oven.
Hold on.
Hold on a second. Can it stay at that height without risk of it falling? Can it stay there without risk of it falling?
Yeah.
I don't want to put my fingers under it and it crush my fingers.
Oh. Where you put your fingers under?
this whole thing has a lip on the top. I just want to try and rotate it.
I just need to take the weight.
Yeah.
Go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Might be working.
Let go now.
Wait a second. Oh no. That's just rotating the whole thing, isn't it?
Oh dear. Right.
Proper job. Well, for now, we've just sealed in the expanding foam. I'm taping over the top. Just because we took the chimney out and the fire out, but we haven't had time. There will be fiberglass in the top of here. There's a metal plate here, so I'm going to take the metal plate off. Fiberglass the top completely. Yeah, do it properly, but we haven't got the time right now, so I'm just going to tape over so we don't get any leaks. Using the indestructible aluminium tape. We use this stuff on aircraft, so you know it's good. This ain't gonna fail. And if anything, it will reflect the heat. So, stop any damage to underneath. Meeting in it, maybe. Who am I? That will do.
Today's video update. We have a new panel all along here. We've also panelled this window because we need the wall space, and there's a new panel in there. And then we've also started painting and sanding, so it looks a lot brighter in here, having all the white at the top. Also, the log burner has now come out. That's been removed. The hole's been patched. Jonathan is just patching the hole on the roof currently. What else have we done? Oh yeah, we've moved the concrete over to here because that's where the log burner will go. Unfortunately, the way that the log burner had been fitted / repaired multiple times, we had to basically saw the top of the chimney off the log burner, so then it's kind of ruined now. So we're going to have to get a new mini log burner, which is not ideal, but it is what it is. Put the blinds back up. The only parts of destruction now are this kitchen top needs to come off so we can put a new one on. We need to sort out the shelving in here because it's not very practical for what we'll need it for. This room is currently like an oven, but this will be coming out. That's the last bit of destruction, to get all this out, and then the toilet will go over there, and then we'll resort the shower out. Need to work out what we're doing with this weird like vinyl that they've put on that's gross. But yeah, that's where we're up to today. Hopefully we'll get a bit more done next weekend.